Okay, tonight what we're going to do, we're doing some campfire cooking with the cast iron skillet here. As you can see, I've built a pretty good campfire here. Now just take in mind, it's took me close to an hour to get this fire with a good bed of coals and where it's ready to actually cook. And this December 21st, 2020. It's not really cold out here, it's just about right. And what I've done, I've put different types of wood on the fire. It's actually a variety of oak, hickory. It's even got some pine in there and even got cedar in there. So, you know, that's just a typical campfire that you would have if you was out, you know, in the wilderness or in the woods or on the creek banks or river and doing a camping trip, and you wanted to do a cooking on a open fire. So, but what you can see here, and I'll show you here a little closer, you can see that's a concrete block right there. And how I've turned it with the holes. It's got two holes. Most of you that are familiar with concrete blocks, the holes are actually, you know, where the flames can come up through. Didn't turn it sideways, turned it up where the you know, the flames come up through it and actually make contact with the iron skillet. Now, in the skillet here, I will show you. We have got if I can get it just right, about $4 worth of chicken leg and thighs all together. There's 2, 4, 6, there's like 7 pieces in there. Plenty enough to feed a family and very cheap. So, let me get this set back up again. So what we're gonna do, take your aluminum foil, and if you're lucky enough and you've got a top for this, that's even better. But I haven't got a top, so we go back to the original old-fashioned technique of, thank goodness, aluminum foil. So I put that on there. It don't need a whole lot. A lot of it will cook within itself, and plus, you know, you always want that good old campfire smoke and aroma. So, okay, all right, this thing's ready, and get myself up off the ground. Now make sure you use gloves. It's cold right now, but I have gloves over here, so I set that on top. It's going to cook from the bottom up. It's going to hold the heat in. It's going to stir it around, and within about 45 minutes, good slow cooking, it's done getting hot already. And wow. And do not touch this thing after it's been on there for at least 10 minutes. It will peel your skin back. So make sure you got a good pair of gloves, and if you need to, you know, even fold the tin foil back and look at it, use your gloves. So I feel like within 45 minutes, pretty much an hour, I am going to have some fine campfire baked chicken. So listen, y'all have a wonderful Christmas. God bless you.